So glad we made time to see me. How's life? Tell me, how's your family? I haven't seen them in a while. You've been good, busier than ever. Small talk, work and the weather. You're good as it's been a while.
Since the last time you saw me, still burned in the back of your mind. Gave me roses and I left them there to die. So this is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December all the time. Turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine. I go back to December, turn around, take it away. I go back to December all the time.
What's wrong with Duck
These
Faces?
days I haven't been sleeping, staying up playing back myself leaving. When your birthday passed and I didn't come, then I think about summer, all the beautiful times I watched you laughing from the passenger side and realized I loved you in the fall.
When the cold came, the dark days when fear grabbed into me. You gave me all your love and all I gave you was goodbye.
This is me swallowing my pride, standing in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December all the time. Turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine.
Look at me, Sparky.
I go back to December all the time. Miss your dance, and your sweet smile, so good to me, so right. Now you held me in your arms that September night, first time you ever saw me cry.
Maybe this is wishful thinking, probably mindless dreaming. But if we loved again, I swear I'd prove you're right.
I'd go back in time and change it, but I can't. So if the chain is on your door, I understand. This is swallowing my pride, sitting in front of you, saying I'm sorry for that night. And I go back to December. Turns out freedom ain't nothing but missing you, wishing I realized what I had when you were mine. I go back to December, turn around and change my whole mind. I go back to December, turn around and make it alright.
I go back to December all the time.
All the time.
I mean,
Wait, hold him up like Simba.
probably mindless.
Yes, good yes.
Duck faces. I don't understand what's so wrong with duck faces. Lupin's girlfriend from Harry Potter did a duck face one time, and nobody complains about that. You know, when she turned her face into a duck face.
I don't know if that's the right lyrics. Let's just stop.